This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. Yes, coming to Java 8 features you're talking. Last class, how many classes done total here? Total 10 classes are done. We'll go for the 11th class. We'll go for what? 11th class. Yeah. Okay, so the 10 classes tell me class 1, we're talking to lambda expression. Class 2 is what we for each method. For each method, printing the data, right? For each method purpose is what? Printing the data. Class 3 is what more filter method. Based on the condition, we need to filter the data. Class 4 is what more filter method only with object data. A filter method with what? Object data. Class 5 is the map method. Map purpose is what? Map is used to apply the operation on all elements, right? All elements in a sequence. So map method only with object data. So employee object data, employee object data. Next one is reduce method. But the purpose of reduce apply the operation on all elements. Returns only one value. Next one is what sort method, sorting of integer comma string. How many ways you can do the sorting total? Three ways. Collection dot sort is there, list dot sort is there, stream dot sort. Streams are added, right? Sorting with the object here, right? Yeah. Yes, last class method reference. Method reference is what? Method reference is a short form of what? Lambda expression, right? Method reference. Last class we talk about the for each method. For each method lambda expression, right? Yeah. So last class we are applying the method reference on for each method. Today class we'll apply the method reference on filter method. Next video method reference on map, method reference on reduce, method reference on sort. You got the point, right? Yeah. Today is a class level. If you take the class level, then it's method reference only today class also on filter data. On which method? Filter, right? On the filter method. You got the point, right? There's 10 classes, but today is 11th class. Yes, to do the practicals, open the Eclipse ID. As usual, filter means you know, right? Filter method. Let me write the condition about the filter. Yes, something workspace you can select them, it's not a problem. Select any workspace. You can take the workspace. Taking the workspace. Yeah, Eclipse ID will be open. So then you can write the filter coding part. Yeah, I think last class we done this one, right? Method reference. Method reference, you are taking the employee class, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and here you are printing the data using system.out colon colon println. Even employee objects also you are printing system.out colon colon println, right? But make sure that when you're printing the object data, you should override which method amount to string method, because to string method returns what? All the values, right? Exactly. Because now method reference concept on filter data. Because for this one here, right click new. I want to take the class. Tell me guys what the class here. Method ref. If you take the method ref filter, method ref and what filter, right? The class name is method ref filter. Just click on the main method. Click on the finish. Just let me take the list of names as usual. Tell me how to get the list of names, Amma? List of what? String, exactly. List of what, Amma? Okay, string, something like names equal to, tell me here, list dot what? List dot off method. You're taking the data like, tell me guys, Ratan, Anu, Stravia, and what? Chandu, right? Yeah, four values, guys. I want to take some empty data here. Let me take one empty is there. I take one more empty at starting here. One more empty is there. How many empties we have total? Two empties. How many elements? Four elements. Yes, can you please filter the data without empties? Filter the data without empties, right? Tell me guys how to filter the data without empties. Names that what stream. First, you need to get the stream of data on the stream filter expecting which object predicate. We know that previously filter expecting which object predicate is a function interface which contains only test method. This method implementation we have to write here, right? Yeah, we have to write here. First, let me write the lambda expression code. What lambda expression code tell me here? Name name dot what am I is empty. Name dot what is empty, right? Then name dot is empty. Let me write for each method. For each of what you can write for each of name arrow. This is what am I? This is the printing what lambda expression, right? Yeah. If you run this code, we are filtering what only empties. We are filtering what empties, right? How many empties you will get total? Two empties. But empties you can see, we cannot see. We cannot see, right? So you can put the not here. Name that is empty, not is empty, right? Not is empty means what data will come, right? But how many expected values total? Four values. See, we got the four values. Ratan, Anu, Shravya, Chendu. Otherwise, just instead of this, you need to write a count also. You have a count. So first, we can take the count means what integer. Integer, you can take the count variable, right? Integer what? Count variable. So why it's showing error means because it plays the cursor as a long. So long return type count return type is what long. Count return type long means here we have to take what long, right? That's it. Because that's what here this is our control space. Just you can make the count, right? Yeah. What the expected count? Tell me. You can remove the count. Not equal to. Name is empty. Name is empty means how many values? Tell me then. Uh, is empty two. Expected count is how much now? Two, right? Run this code. We got the output is two. Right, the output is what two, right? If you put the not means expected output is how many? Four. Not empty. Not empty. How many values are there? Four elements, right? Run this code, you get the four. Yes or no? We get the output is what? Four, right? Exactly. Very clear? Can you please write this code, same code using like what we can say? Method reference. How to write the code? Names dot stream dot which were filter. Filter I told you syntax is what? Colon. So that is what you need to call which method tell me here is empty. Is empty where it belongs to which class tell me? String class. Then you can write the string colon. Which method you are going to call is empty. Which method you are going to call? Is blank, is empty, is empty. That's all. This is method reference concept. Here we are calling like name not is not name that is empty not here you are applying what to string colon what is empty. Dot you want to print the data na? How to print the data so again you can go for each method system dot sorry method reference system dot how to colon print ln. I told you before method only we have to put the colon. Yes or no? Before method, right? Yeah, that's it guys. So here what data is printed? Tell me now. Empty data, but you want empty data not empty na? Not empty. You want empty data not empty, right? Is not empty. Then you will get the empty data, no? This is a count 4, but empties are printing and not printing, printing. But anyway, let me count the data here. Let me count it. If you take the count data, then tell me guys, count is what type of data? Long C variable, just you can take. Long what? C variable, right? Yes. Is empty, how many values are there? Just we need to check. This is our control space, C value, right? So what the expected answer? Tell me first one. This is like name dot is empty. Now string colon is empty. You don't need to take the name variable. Name is what type of data? String type. That's what string colon is empty, right? So see, lambda expression to method reference coding is very straightforward, right? What method you want, just you can apply that method. That's all. You're going to filter like is empty data. Then count how much expected amount total. First one is expected not empty. This is a 4. This is what empty. It will be the it will output is how much 2, right? Got the point, right? Like string colon colon. Colon colon is a syntax of what a method reference. Syntax of what method reference, right? It's like that we need to filter the data, guys. Like that we need to filter the. Tell me here. We need to filter the data. Even employee update also. See, guys. Actually, while filtering, you can call the user-defined methods also. Not only free-defined methods you can do. We can make the user-defined methods also. How can you make the user defined methods? I'll write small code. A previous example, what you take in employee ID, employee name, employee salary, right? This class frequent, I'm using all the videos. Employee ID, employee name, and what? Employee salary. Let me take that list of employees to take the list of employees. So can I take this data here, list of employees? So last class, this one here you can take. This is the last class data. This is out control space. Stars I can take. Guys, see here. But these two are clear, right? This is a lambda expression code is empty. This is a string colon colon what is empty. This is what code method reference code. Now EMPS is there. EMPS means what? I need to filter the data. The people who are salary is greater than 15,000, greater than 25,000. Greater than 25,000 means what you'll get a data? Tell me. Two records. Papam and what Punyam. Tell me that filter code once. E stream dot what filter. Tell me filter EMP arrow EMP dot e salary is greater than what 25,000. Greater than what 25,000, right? Yes, exactly. Because dot you can write the for each method. Just I want to print the data. How to print the data? EMP arrow. Because we code is what? EMP dot EID, because just I don't have the getter methods there. Directly can call using property name. EMP dot what? E name plus some space plus some what space plus EMP dot what? E salary. You got the clarity, right? Exactly. Okay, this is filtering the people are who are salaries greater than what 25,000, right? What the expected answer? Tell me now. Papman what a punyam. We Papman what punyam. Let me take this code using method reference concept. Now to apply the method reference concept, now tell me guys, this code is a this is the predefined methods like user defined class data, employee salary. Employee salary is what type of data? Predefined or user defined? User defined. Employee salary is a user defined data. That's what we need to take the data. We need to take the user defined method. Observe carefully what I'm doing. Let me take the user defined method. What is a custom method references. We can take the public. Assume like the return type should be boolean because EMP salary greater than 25,000 means what? If it is a true, then only filter, right? Then only it is a filtered. So no, then only it is filtered. That's what that method reference. The code should be like return type is what boolean. So no, next one is what salary check method I'm taking here. Salary check method. Guys, let me return the data. What the data tell me guys here? Salary check method I'm taking. Tell me salary check. Salary check what I'm taking. Tell me here. Uh, EMP dot. EMP dot what? EMP dot. What salary I'm checking here? EMP dot. EMP dot what? EMP dot means just let me take the properties here itself. Then only we can use that properties here. Otherwise, otherwise another option is what? Tell me. Here, where is the reference variable? This is EMPS, right? Then stream means group of objects will come, right? That's what we can write the for each. Right hand side is EMPS, left hand side is EMP. But this EMPS reference variable from where here, right? This reference can be used here or not? No. What we need to do? Tell me then. List of EMP. List of what? EMP, EMPS, EMPS. Then you can take the EMPS value here, and you can make this one is a static variable because here I want to use EMPS, right? That's what I'm. Okay, fine. Guys, here we need to check the. You got the point of previously employees is there in the within the main method. Within the main method means can we use here? No. That's what I define what within the main method, out of the main method, out of the main method. Out of the main method means I can use data here, right? Here what we need to do, return E dot E salary is greater than what amount? 25,000. You got the point, right? Yes. Why it's showing a return statement, right? So the loop is repeated. The loop is what? Repeated. Because why it's showing error means some cases it doesn't return into loop actually. Doesn't return into what loop. That's what if loop is repeated, it returns a true or false, right? How many times loop is repeated? I'm not here. 4 times. That's what. Now salary check is there. I'm repeating the loop. I'm checking the condition. This is a custom condition I'm writing, guys. What condition? Custom condition I'm writing, right? Exactly. It's custom condition I'm writing. Mostly we will not take this kind of custom methods. No? Like we can write the filter method. What do you want to filter? Tell me here. Salary check, right? Exactly. To check the salary check, the salary check is belongs to which class? Wait, salary check is belongs to which class, ma? Ah, yeah. This is method reference filter, right? Method reference filter. Colon. You can write the salary check. And the reference colon what salary check, right? It means in this class I return some custom filter. I written what some custom field, right? Using which concept colon, right? Exactly. As dot which method for each method to print the data. Hmm, dot for each method is coming or not coming? Not coming. Not coming means syntax is maybe small issue is there. What is the syntax issue? Syntax issue. What is the issue? Syntax issue, correct only. Just we are overriding. Overriding. Otherwise, let me do one thing. Can you please take this data? Can you please take this data inside which class? Employee class. Then I no need to use this all. Return e salary greater than like this. This is like this dot e salary equal to it itself written, right? This is employee. You got the pointer? This dot salary salary checker. Come here. I no need to make this code like this. Even this for loop, this all required, not required, not required. Let me remove. Okay, sometimes when you write the code, this will be happen. Yes, fine. Previous code as usual. Previous code, what you written, tell me guys, list of names, the counting, the data. This is a filtering purpose, right? And bottom up. This is like list of employees. List of employees you're applying. This is which concept? Lambda. Lambda is working fine. Then let me apply the method reference. How can you do it, ma'am? emps dot what? emps dot what? String. You can apply the filter. Then here emp colon emp because here this is emp class, right? This is a filter method, right? Custom method. emp uh, what method name? Salary check dot. I'm going to print for each coming property. Sometimes we're in other brain is at the point, right? This is our control space. We forgot about the previous last 2 to 3 minutes. Just the code write like this. Sana, code right. This is the this code already. This is the lambda code. Method reference code means in employee class you can write the filter method, salary check method, public boolean salary check method. This dot is salary equal to what? 25,000, right? Yeah. Okay, system dot out colon what am I printer, right? Exactly. But you got the point, right? It is filtering based on what employee class. This method what I written here, while filtering always return type should be boolean, because if it is a condition true means what filtered, condition is false means what filter, not filtered, not filtered, right? Exactly. Is it clear? Just let me run this code, see the output, getting output or not. This one is the lambda code, this one is the method reference code, but getting output is what papam punyam. Here also what name is papam and what punyam. Because here, this one we are calling the variables na, like that is printing. But here we are calling the variables are two-string executor. Two-string executed. Two-string executed means that your output is coming two-string implementations like this. So this is custom, like custom filters with method reference. Employee class, just I taken my own filter. What is my own filter? Ma? Salary check filter. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, can you please write the custom filter, the name which is starts with P or D? The name starts with what? D. Tell me the filter for that. To write the filter, first of all, the name starts with what? D, right? Then write the custom filter for that. What the custom filter? Tell me public. Tell me boolean name check, right? Name check method. You can take the name check method. Name check method. What we need to return? Return. Tell me return what? This dot e name dot starts with D. You got to write the point, right? Yes. Here in the employee class, we write the custom filter method. Then come to the method reference example. Here you can write the code. What the code tell me guys here? What's the code? We write the code for that. Ah, so guys, emps dot what am I? Emps dot. Tell me here emps dot what? Stream object emps dot what? Stream object dot dot what? Filter. And tell me emp colon what check name check. Nice code, right? Dot for each you need to collect. You already used for each previously, right? Can I collect the data? Collect. Collect means what data? Collectors dot to list format. After collecting again I will print, but you understand that how to collect data also, right? Like that. List of emp, list of what? Emp, e, right? That's it. Clear? That's it. That's it. That's it. And then you can write the code e dot what? E is what type of data? List of employees, no? Then e dot we can write the for each method. Directly I can call the for each method, but just I'm showing that how can we collect the data again, right? That's it. System dot out to colon print ln. Bus. Clear? This is like employee colon salary check. This is employee colon name check. Previously, I'm trying to make the my own method here itself, the conversion. Those all forgot, amma. Huh? Sir, no, ఎంత కావాలంటే చూడండి మీరు. Like 5 minutes you forgot, just you can make the code. In employee cost itself, we need to write the salary check method. Just this dot C salary greater than 25,000. Then here itself we can write the code. EMP colon salary check. EMP colon name check. Here printing the data, here collecting the data, right? Yes, run this code. If you run this code, last one you can see we got output is what? Devi and Dev. So clear, right? Uh, Method reference is makes very when you starting level you feel a lambda is very good. Now lambda is good, method reference is good. Method reference is good. Hmm? So if I ask the students filter that even numbers means they'll write the code, for loops, so if conditions, so these are all the data. Okay, tell me what the first one, tell me guys. Filter, filtering with what? Lambda expression. Second one is what? Filter is what? String of colon is empty. Then counting how many empties are there, right? This is the method reference. This is a method reference to predefined class and predefined method. So no, yes. And this is like method reference with the user defined method. Previously, I'm trying to make the that method here itself, but that is wrong actually. I forgot. Um, you need to write the code in the salary check method. Which class you are going to filter? In that class, we need to make the method is salary check method, name check method like that. Okay, then that reference emp class, which class ma emp class salary checker, emp class name checker, that methods I'm calling. Here don't disturb any code. That filter code you should be writing which class ma employee class only. Previously I'm trying to make the code here itself, but that is not good, not correct. Then you can make the code other places. emp colon salary check, emp colon what ma name check. Clear? So this is the video number how much? 11. Method reference with what? Filter. Video number 12 we'll talk about what? Method reference with the map. Yes or no? Yeah. But all the classes important, right? All the videos are important. All the classes are important. And you please execute this code properly. After execution of this code, you please check the output properly. Clear? That's it. Okay, so while watching the video, you just write the notes and all. Okay, because you need to watch the video step by step. We need to execute the code. While you execute the code, you have a code, right? Then you don't ask any code for this one because you should watch the video. You should write the code, execute the code. When you execute the code with you, right? Then here there is no much theory, right? Do you have any theory here? Nothing. All about the programming. If you are not executing, if you copy paste this kind of code, any use is there? No use. It means you don't need to ask the nodes for this, right? Huh? Use the brain. Clear? That is a class number how much? 11. Guys, like the video, comment the video. Comment important. Subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Hmm? Thank you guys. Bye. This is a bit important. Just check it. Bye.